How to fix TikTok shadow ban. So if you're being shadow banned on TikTok and if you want to fix that problem, then first of all, let's open up the TikTok application. Now after opening, you can simply go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then you can go to the upper right corner, which has the three bar icon, and then go for settings and privacy. And if you scroll down here, you will have report a problem, right? Simply tap on that, and then you can simply scroll down, and on the last or on the bottom of your screen you will have submit a report. Tap on that. You should simply give a brief feedback, and you should write it politely. So you can write that I'm not being able to use TikTok, or I think my TikTok has been shadow banned, and please help me with that. And you can provide some email or your TikTok username, and after providing the information and after writing the feedback, you can simply tap on submit, which is on the bottom of your screen. Or you can also add some screen recordings or some screenshots, and you can submit it. And after that, TikTok will send you a message or a mail to your email account, and you can get some help after that. So that's it. That's how you fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.